May I please?
Well, with the consent of the petitioner's counsel, Malat, I beg to mention item number 21, Malat. Here, Malat, I have to take instruction from the department circle officer, Malat. Malat, due to Malat this election's purpose, Malat, it could not be held. Malat.
Don't tell. It's over now.
Then, till now, Malat, we have not getting instruction, Malat.
We're not interested in the election. What is the election?
Malat, circle from circle office, all are busy because of this time, Malat.
For counting also.
Malat, office, Malat, some Malat, railway authority don't get.
Offices are sub.
Malat,
Offices are closed because of the election. Then
that is the number, Malat.
what do you want?
At least 3 weeks time, Malat.
Mr. K.K. Prasar, Council for Respondent 1, 2, and 3. You are State Council or what? Union of India. CGC. Learned CGC. For the Respondent 1, 2, and 3. Fresh for and granted 3 weeks. 3 weeks time to obtain instruction.
If necessary, sir, I will file affidavit, Malat. After
Obtain
instruction,
instruction and file affidavit in opposition. Yes.
May I please, your lordship?
See, Union of India, it's not the parliament election.
but a railway authority has to take instruction from the circle office regarding the Malat demarcation of land, Malat.
Anyway,
May I please, your lordship?
yes,
I beg to mention item number 21.
21 is
28, sorry, my lord, 28.
20,
Yes, I have taken the consent of
20,
28.
28. No, what is the matter here?
Assam Cooperative Society matter, my lord. My senior is out of station. I
What?
have taken the consent of the other side. This matter may be taken up in the month of June, my lord. Second,
What remains here? Nothing.
my lord.
Election is over.
Yes, there is some anomalies in the voter list. Some
So-
dead voters are there.
No, election was conducted. GBM is already.
Assam Cooperative Society matter, my lord.
Yes. That cooperative society election.
Yes,
I'm not talking about this assembly election.
Assam Cooperative Society. election.
Then
My lord, this matter,
executive body members have been selected.
yes.
Then
Then we have approached before this honorable court.
hmm,
Accordingly, this matter remand to the register of the Assam Cooperative Society. Then again hearing was done. Again we have approached.
why?
Because in the register book, some anomaly. Some
Who is
voters-
functioning now?
My lord,
Who is functioning as in the executive members? President, secretary of
no
the
one,
cooperative.
at present no one, my lord.
Will allow the respondent to function. You're for respond? No.
No, my lord. I have taken the consent. This matter may be taken up in the on
You are
11
for
I am for petitioner.
on the prayer of Mr.
A.K. Hannan, my lord.
A.K. Hannan, then counsel for the petitioner. Let this matter be
11th
listed after
date may be given, my lord.
listed after 2 months.
A date may be given, my lord.
2 months. You make a mention after 2 months.
No, my lord. It is very.
Huh?
It is very long, my lord. My senior is out of station.
We're
for
ready
which-
to hear. This is listed for hearing today. We have 2
not
hearing
2
matters.
months, after 2 week or 3 week, my lord, or 1 month maybe. That is my.
Then you just said, Mr. A.K. Hannan, and counsel for the petitioners. Praise that matter may be listed after 1 month. List of prayers allowed. No, before list of Mr. A. Hannan, A.K. Hannan, counsel petitioner submits that he has taken a consent from the other side for listing of the matter after 1 month. Therefore, phrase that the matter may be listed after a month. Praise the Lord, list after a month.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, with the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 26 and 27. The matter may be taken up after 2 weeks, Lordship.
Why?
Lordship, Mr. O.P. Bhatti, the conducting counsel, is having some personal difficulties.
What personal difficulty?
He is engaged in some other matter. So 1 week's time maybe kindly be given.
You are Mr.
S.K. Gupta, appearing on behalf of Mr. O.P. Bhatti.
S.K. Gupta, learned counsel, appearing on behalf of Mr. O.P. Bhatti, learned counsel for the respondent. Respondent.
To 12.
Respondent 6 to 12 in WPC 5395 of 2018. And petitioner, are you petitioner in the item 27? No.
I am not there.
On the consent of other side. No, on the ground that Mr. Bhatti has some personal difficulty today, therefore, first for listing of the matter after 4 weeks. Praise the Lord. Accordingly, these matters after 4 weeks.
May I please your lordship? With the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 8. Adjournment of the day, your lordship.
2016 matter. What is this? What is the matter about? What is the matter about?
I have no idea about the matter because
Give her the file, second file. Read and mention it.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
I beg to mention item number 17, lordship.
17.
Asma for the day, lordship. Some
On the-
personal difficulty of Aisudori, lordship.
You're Mr.
Yeah, on behalf of Aisudori.
R.N. Chutia, learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. I. Chaudhary. Learned counsel for the petitioner. Petitioners. Praise that letter may be listed after 3 weeks.
Respondent number 5 to 7, lordship.
Prayer is allowed. Mr.
On behalf of A. Sharma.
W. Rahman, learned counsel appears on behalf of appearing on behalf of Mr. A. Sharma, learned counsel for respondent 5 to 7 is present, List accordingly.
Hello.
May I please, lordship? I would like to mention item number 14 with the consent of other parties. Lordship, this matter may be taken up in the next week.
On the prayer of Mr.
Jayuddin.
Jayuddin, learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. M.U. Muhammad,
M.U.
learned counsel for the petitioner. Let this matter be listed after 4 weeks. 4 weeks.
My lordship.
Yes, please, your lordship. Which I beg to mention item number 12.
12.
12, lordship. Matter may be taken after 10 days, lordship.
Why?
Lordship, this matter was dismissed for default. Thereafter, we filed in this case, lordship. Lordship, thereafter the matter was again restored. But we have not filed Wakalatnama in the main case, lordship. We have not filed the Wakalatnama in the petition, lordship.
Okay.
For which we need
Mr.
B. Bormuhai, lordship. We need
Learned counsel submits that submits that he has been engaged in this matter. However, no affidavit, no power has been filed in the matter. Therefore, fresh for listing of the matter after 3 weeks. So as to enable him to file his power.
after 10 days.
List after 3 weeks.
Lordship, after 10 days, can
3 weeks.
May please, my lord. Well, in respect of item number 2, well, I am led by senior counsel Mr. Dikanto Das, and he is out of station today, my lord. So I pray for a short accommodation, my lord.
Item 2,
Yes, ma'am.
2016 matter.
Yes,
What is the matter about?
Matter is regarding custody of a child, my lord. My lord, the child was born to a unmarried mother, and it was given under adoption by a registered deed of adoption to petitioner number 3 and 4. But state is saying
Adoption
that,
as per the law.
yes, my lord, the registered deed of adoption that is on record, my lord.
Before that, after?
My lord.
After the order or before the order?
No, after the order of impugned order,
Then
that has been brought on record also, my lord.
it's okay.
But the thing is that the state claim of the petitioner is that the provisions of Juvenile Justice Act is not applicable and the authorities has acted beyond jurisdiction.
That is after when you have adopted after the order was passed.
Yes,
Then how do you apply that?
No, my lord, that under Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act, my lord, there is an overriding effect given that if any adoption is done as
When the order was passed,
the mother
child
was,
was not adopted.
the mother was directed, the biological mother was directed to hand over the custody to a child welfare committee.
Yes.
But the biological mother never abandoned the child, my lord. That is the issue.
Who has adopted now?
My biological mother has never abandoned, my lord. My biological mother has given the child in adoption by following the procedure of Hindu Adoption and Maintenance.
That is after the order.
After the impugned order, but that is bring on record. That has been.
No, that I have seen.
Yes.
But it doesn't
And there is no
legalize
challenge.
your thing, no? That is prior to that.
After that, but it will like, well, ultimately, my lord, this as per section 30 of the Adoption Act, once it is a registered deed of adoption is there, until and unless that has been set aside by any
So
authority.
is it has a retrospective effect?
Yes, my
How
lord.
can you just say that?
No, my lord, that adoption, my lord, there is a
It
provision.
has to be a legal adoption.
Yes, my lord. Registered deed
It
of
cannot
adoption.
have a, therefore your challenge was, it was,
My lord.
you have adopted after the order was passed
Yes.
to legalize.
Yes.
What's wrong? Before that, there was no adoption.
But there was no adoption at that earlier point of time. Subsequently, my lord, following the due procedure of law, it was done, my lord.
No.
There is requirement, I'm led by senior counsel Diganta Das in this matter, my lord. That's why, my lord, I pray for a small accommodation in
That's
that.
what senior counsel is required.
My lord, and there is a judgment of this honorable court also, my lord.
So we'll decide today.
But
If you
since,
know the judgment of this court, show us.
since I am not, senior counsel is there.
It says that even after the order was passed, even if it is adopted, it will have a retrospective effect.
But if lordship considers the welfare of the child, since last 10 years, my lord.
Therefore, when
yes.
the impure order was passed, the authority has considered the welfare of the child.
No,
There is no adoption.
No,
Then realizing that it is illegal, therefore you have got it adopted. Is
My
not
lord.
it?
lordship, I can get your lordship, my lord.
See, the order was passed for the welfare of the child.
Yes.
Interest of the child.
Yes.
Now you get to know that this without adoption, you are illegally or whatever.
No, at that point of time, when the order was passed,
Then
But
then
that
then
child-
you got it adopted
no, my lord,
so
at
as
that
to
time,
legalize your
No, my lord.
custody.
it was not adopted
Then it,
when the writ petition was filed. And when the writ petition was filed, the child was in the custody of the mother. That is the case, my lord. They, under misrepresentation, they issued
Then
the,
why the child has to be given to you?
my lord. My lord.
Why the child was given to you?
No, my lord, that child along with the mother was there with the petitioners.
So who has adopted now? Petition number?
Petitioner number 3 and 4 subsequently, my lord. When the writ
That's
petition
what I'm
was
saying.
when the writ petition was filed, there was no
What
adoption.
is correct. You just cannot give it for adoption like that.
No, my lord. There is a for adoption, there is a procedure under.
So we don't find any, illegality in the impugn order. Whatever subsequent developments you have taken, you approach the authority.
Well, authorities have already, my lord, regularized, my lord, in fact, in view of the under Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act, and as per Hindu Minority and Guardianship Act, my lord, the mother is the natural guardian. Accordingly, my lord, the natural guardian has
Therefore, who has issued the impugn order?
the Child Welfare Committee, my lord.
You go there. We don't know.
But at least today's, my lord, some accommodation may be granted, my lord, since ultimately, my lord, the welfare of the child is already in custody of the adoptive parents for 10 years. They are giving proper care and education in the best educational institution in Don Bosco, my lord.
When the order was passed?
My lord?
When the order was passed? When the impugn order was passed?
2016, my lord.
Then when adoption was taken place?
Adoption in 17.
Immediately after that.
No, thereafter,
It shows that you were illegally, the child was illegally under your custody.
no, it
When
was,
the order was passed, then you realized that it has to be legalized. So you have
no, my lord. Then
taken
that
for
time the
adoption.
child was not under custody of the petitioner number 3 and 4. It was under the custody of the mother. That is the case, my lord.
So mother was not able to take care of he was almost abandoned the child.
No, my mother, along with the mother, it is specifically pleaded case that along with the mother, the child was with in Gauhati because they are from the nearing places, my lord.
What the interest of the child welfare officer that they should be given to the
Therefore, my lord, that is why, but some.
No, there must
Welfare-
be something.
No, my lord.
Shows, it clearly shows.
No, I'm praying for a small accommodation on the ground that, my lord, senior counsel Didas is not present today, my lord. He has specifically,
Last chance.
my lord.
Otherwise, you are not inclined. I mean, you yourself have said it's the welfare of the child.
Yes, my lord, my case is that welfare of the child is be
It
protected.
appears, privacy appears that the child was, the biological mother has already abandoned and it was under your custody illegally.
No, my lord, mother
was
was
child
also
or-
there. Mother was also
Welfare
there.
officer has passed an impugn order. What's wrong with it?
No, but mother was also with the baby.
Then you realize that the child is under your custody illegally. So you get it legalized, you adopted it.
No, my lord, at that point of time when the writ petition was filed, there is specific plea in the writ petition that child has never been adopted at that point of time.
Mr.
T. Chakraborty, my lord.
T. Chakraborty, learned counsel, submits that he is being, in this case, Mr. D. Das, learned senior counsel, has been engaged. However, the senior counsel has some personal difficulty today. Therefore, as a last chance, the matter may, for press for short accommodation, please stop. Considering the issue involved in this matter, which pertains to custody of child, comma, the prayer for adjournment is granted as a last chance. List the matter after 2 weeks.
Obliged.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, I beg to mention item number 19, my lord. State has filed their affidavit, my lord. We have to file a reply, my lord.
MS,
N. Nasrin, my lord.
huh?
N. Nasrin.
MS N. Nasrin, learned counsel, but the petitioner pressed for and granted 2 weeks time to file affidavit in reply. Mr. N. Goswami, learned state counsel is present.
Obliged.
Please, your lordship, I'm for the respondent, I beg to mention item number 18. The matter become infructuous, lordship. So kindly close the matter.
You are pro respondent.
No, I'm for the petitioner.
Okay. Item 18. MS
And they,
and the learned counsel for the petition submits that this writ petition has become infructuous. Please stop. Accordingly, writ petition stands closed on having been become infructuous.
obliged.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
So I beg to mention item number 8. Your lordship, in this case, your lordship, certain instructions are required.
Item number 8.
Item number 8.
It's
your lordship.
already adjourned.
Lordship,
Where? Where is this? Where's your junior?
lordship says there.
Why? Why you are saying away? I want to read your brief.
Yes, sir, but it will take too much time, your lordship.
Sir, what is this?
So the petitioner, your lordship, had filed a writ petition because alleging that the police has not taken action as per their complaint. The complaint is basically on that the petitioner's son, who is one of the respondent, is violating his rights and also had occupied the house of the petitioner.
That's the reason I wanted her to go through the
Lordship.
file.
So, and also petitioner number 1 has also expired in the meantime. So probably the matter has become infructuous. I need only 1 day or 2 days time to obtain instruction.
So if it is instructions, we'll close it.
Lordship will obtain instruction with regard to that because
Huh?
we'll obtain instruction because mother.
What is the status of the mother? Who has expired?
The father, your lordship.
Father.
One.
Petition number 1.
Lordship.
Petition number 2.
Petitioner number is the mother, wife of the petitioner.
She's alive.
She's alive.
What is her condition? Yes, mister. Who are you?
Number 1 and 2.
You are the son and daughter.
State respondent, sir.
Who is this for son and daughter? Daughter?
They
Who is
had
for
already-
son and daughter?
They had filed their affidavit, your lordship.
Huh?
They had filed their affidavit and had.
For respondent number 3 and 4 on behalf of.
Son and
alia.
daughter. Son and daughter.
Daughter-in-law.
Daughter.
Son and daughter-in-law.
Yes.
Will call for personal appearance.
Lordship, I'm
Are you taking care of the mother?
Lordship, on behalf, I'm appearing on behalf of my senior. I don't have any.
Who is your senior?
Mr. A Nursery.
Call him. Please inform me. We'll take it up the matter. Take up the matter. Very unfortunate.
Admission item 1.
May I please your Lordship? Lordship, due to personal difficulty, my senior could not come today, Lordship.
What is the matter?
I am actually not aware about the fact, Lordship.
Then don't appear. We'll dismiss the writ petition.
Lordship, this matter is about some fund sanctioned by the central government
Yes.
to run the ICPS project in the state.
Yes.
That's all I know, Lordship.
Registration has already been cancelled. What of the other writ petition? Who is for the respondent? There are one more writ petition challenging the cancellation of the registration. And this writ petition is for payment of some amount. So what is to be done?
P. Boru, Lordship.
What is to be done?
Lordship,
Sir,
we already filed our affidavit, Lord.
So we'll take up the matter for disposal.
Whether they want to file a reply or not, my
We
lord.
cannot force them.
We cannot.
Yes.
Lordship, we will file reply, Lordship. We need
What
some
reply?
time.
2016 matter.
Lordship, we required some time, Lordship.
See, madam, number one, you are appearing before the court without knowing the matter. At least know the facts, read the facts and come. Your senior doesn't allow you to read the file.
Lordship, actually, I'm engaging newly in December.
Hmm?
I'm newly engaged in December, Lordship.
How old you are? I mean, when did you join?
27, Lordship.
27 of which month?
When did you join the chamber?
2025, Lordship.
It's enough. 2 years. You don't visit, you don't go to the chamber in the evening.
Lordship, someday.
Anyway, 2016, last chance. MS
P. Boru, Lordship.
P.
Boru.
Boro, Learned Counsel, appearing on behalf of
Mr. N.K. Kolita.
Mr. N.K. Kalita, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, submits that Mr. Kalita has, her senior, Mr. Kalita has some personal difficulty today, therefore, press for listing of the matter after 3 weeks. List of Mr. J. Hendrick, Learned Counsel, State Counsel submits that affidavit has already been filed on behalf of the state. Next para, considering that the matter is pending since 2016. Prayer for adjournment is granted as a last chance. Next para, list after 3 weeks, along with WPC 6895 of 2014. It has not been disposed of.
Lordship.
You may not know.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, the matter has become infructuous. Because
Mr.
SN Tamuli.
S.N. Tamuli, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, submits that the writ petition has become in process. Mr. J. Hendrick, Learned State Counsel is present. According to the writ petition stands closed as in process.
May I please, your Lordship? Lordship, kindly matter be adjourned for the day, Lordship.
Why?
Lordship, my senior due to personal.
Where he is?
Some family problem, his could not come to the Lordship.
Family problem or he's enjoying the Bihu holiday still?
No, Lordship.
Is he enjoying the Bihu holiday still?
No, Lordship.
Okay, same order. Item 1, same order.
My lord, the government has filed one affidavit, and in that affidavit, a map was filed. But there are so many discrepancies in the map, that's why another map is to be furnished by an affidavit. Because another map is to be furnished by an affidavit, my lord.
Why?
Because as per order, my lord, last order.
What is your grievance? Last time
I was allotted a government land for VDP, my lord, Village Defense Party. And subsequently, a notice was issued to me for eviction of the land.
Yes.
And I furnished, I took the plea that it was allotted to me, and it is not to be evicted. And accordingly, their plea is that they want to evict the land. It is some other DAG number, not my DAG number. But the map shows that it is my DAG number.
It's okay. What's wrong?
No, my lord.
The eviction is some other DAG number.
No, my
Then
lord,
what is your problem?
My DAG number. The map shows that it is my DAG number. The new DAG, they have created a new map, my lord.
They are the one who has initiated the action. They want to evict somebody.
Yes, my lord.
From some particular DAG.
Yes,
DAG number.
Then it is, I have no objection. Is my land is to be made intact, because they are saying that it is my, it is not the land, it is not my land, my lord.
Lordship, kindly peruse the order dated 16/6/2025.
16?
16/6/2025, madam.
16/6/2025. Order of the, in this case. 16/6,
Lordship has instructed
Affidavit was
State Council, madam,
for my lord.
to file one details affidavit regarding.
During the course of the amongst the trust map is.
The map is, discrepancy is there, my lord, in the map.
Then
So no affidavit in file, my lord. So let them file one details affidavit, my lord.
you are for
4 to 8, my lord.
private respondent.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So it's been communicated. We have not received any instruction.
1 year back. Not Mr.
DCC Phukan.
TC Pukan.
DCC Phukan.
What it stands for?
My lord, Dhiren Chandra Setia Phukan.
Dhiren Chandra
Setia Phukan.
Chetia Pukan. On lighter note, it's longer than your home address.
My lord. That's
Okay.
why I have made it so.
And also Mr. A.K. Sharma and also for respondent 4 to 8. Next para. Mr. J. Henry. No, considering having considered the order dated 16/06/2025. No, this court on 16/06/2025 directed the London State Council to obtain the complete instruction and file detailed affidavit. Just however, Mr. J. and London State Council submits that due to non-receipt of instruction, detailed affidavit could not be filed. He submits for further 3 weeks may be granted so as to obtain the instruction and file the required affidavit as directed by this court. Please, the next paragraph. Considering the issue involved as regards the discrepancies in the map, considering the issue involved as regards the considering the issue involved and as observed in the order dated 16/06/2025 by this court, let this matter be listed after 3 weeks. In the meantime, the State Council to obtain instruction and file the required affidavit.
Apply.
After 3 weeks, you get that. 1st June, Mr. Sharma. 1st of June. I was asking them to give the date, but you just went off, went away without with anyway. Yes, who is for the petitioner? Yes, Miss.
What about appearing for respondent? Respondent, state respondent.
State respondent. What do you say?
Matter regarding for.
They were already
SKC lordship.
granted 1 lakh.
Yes, lordship.
Thereafter, there was a subsequent office memorandum. Yes, it is proposed
2 lakhs.
2 lakhs. So there's 3 lakhs.
3 lakhs.
So
lordship.
there's
Already 1 lakh.
they are entitled for 3 lakhs.
Lordship.
Is it permissible?
We have filed our affidavit lordship.
We don't have to go. Just tell us what does this subsequent memorandum says. Is it? Does it have any retrospective effect?
So as per the memorandum, latest memorandum, the SKC amount is rupees 3 lakhs lordship. But in the repetition lordship, have a look for a moment lordship, page number 16 to 24. All are the representation filed before the deputy commissioner lordship. Their lordship, there is no any acknowledgement whether.
Forget about that, sir. Tell us the memorandum, office memorandum, where it provides the enhanced ex gratia. Where it is? What is the basis of the claim? Huh? 30.
In lordship, it is clearly mentioned in page number 26 lordship. Point 3.
30.
26, Lordship. Page number 26.
This page, you are referring to page 30. Huh.
Enhancement of the SDC amount paid to the next of kin of the person killed in estimates violence of rupees 3 lakhs.
Huh.
So it is admissible, Lordship.
Lordship, Feroz,
This is the affidavit, this is the memorandum which they are,
page number 30, Lordship,
huh,
page number annex 30, Lordship.
yes,
Page up.
huh,
Case of person killing extremist violence prior to 2004, but whose related.
page 30,
Page 31, Lordship.
31, yes,
Violence prior to 2004, but whose related did not apply for any appointment prior to 22nd June 2024 have applied after 22nd June 2004 and may not have received ex gratia grant under notification dated 2004. They shall now be given appropriate ex gratia payment as per notification dated so and so dated 22/6/2004, adjusting the amount already received if any, and they shall also be entitled to be considered under the scheme. Emphasis in the Assam government circle above, that is number ABP so and so dated 2004 Lordship. If the district commissioner will send a proposal to the department, Lordship, after scrutiny and after verification, Lordship, then revenue and disaster management department will resign. But Lordship may peruse our affidavit, Lordship.
your affidavit is
Number 5, Lordship.
response number 5, yes,
Clearly mentioned there, the paragraph 8, Lordship, that we had not.
page,
Second, I have holding the second copy, Lordship.
this affidavit in opposition filed on behalf of response number 5. Yes. Yes.
The deponent gets to state that it has already been mentioned that no proposal has been received for providing additional ex gratia grant to the petitioner, Lordship. After receipt of proposal from concerned authority, this department will take necessary action for providing additional ex gratia to the petitioners if found eligible for the same.
So otherwise they are entitled.
Commissioner,
Otherwise they are entitled.
if district commissioner-
Additional.
If they
Provided-
receive the one lakh amount,
Provided they apply through proper channel or the district commissioner. And district commissioner will verify and send the proposal to the,
after
anyway, we'll dismiss. None appears for the petitioner on call. Who is one? Who is one?
Respondent number of it.
Mr.
HK Hazarika, Lordship.
H.K. Hazarika, London, you are standing counsel, what?
Respondent number 1, 2.
Government advocate?
Yes, Lordship.
State council, for respondent number 1, 2,
I'm not, earlier we are there.
2 and 5, Lordship, and rest you will explain.
and MS for so and so respondent, and MS G. Hazarika. Understanding council for revenue department for respond 2 and 5. List of the petitioners. How many petitioners? Petitioners are the next of kins of the deceased person claimed to have been killed by the extremists who have been granted extra amount of rupees 1 lakh each. Stuff the claim of the petitioner The claim of the petitioner is that is on the basis of the subsequent office memorandum whereby the ex gratia amount has been raised to rupees 3 lakh. To the effect that they be provided an additional amount of rupees 2 lakhs each. Mr. Next para. The state respondents, by filing the affidavit, has categorically stated that the effort for enhancement of ex gratia as per the relevant office memorandum public policy, the claimant has to apply to proper channel, i.e. the district commissioner. The district commissioner would verify such claim and send the proposal to the government for grant of such ex gratia. However, no proposal oblique claim has been received by the state. As on date. Next para. The next para. Upon consideration of the matter, it appears that the petitioners had not applied for an additional ex gratia for proper channel as required under the policy. At the same time, there is no representation on behalf of the petitioners, which indicates that they are no longer interested to pursue this writ petition. Accordingly, writ petition stands dismissed for non-prosecution.
May I please, Lord?
Yes.
Matter pertains to my lord compensation of Zirat. Earlier, the land of the petitioner was acquired for construction of railway line, and the compensation of Zirat has already been paid, except, my lord, the rubber tree consisting number 162, my lord. The assessment that pays, my lord.
This is acquisition under which law?
My lord. The land was acquired under
Under which law?
Land Acquisition Act, my lord.
Which Land Acquisition Act?
1894.
In the year?
In the year 2010.
Okay.
Thereafter, my lord,
So there's no provision for reference?
Reference, my lord, this is pertaining to not land, my lord. This is pertaining to Zirat compensation. Zirat, the cross trees standing over the land. And my lord, the petitioner had a, my lord, rubber plant, my lord, consisting 162 numbers of trees. And my lord, the compensation has been paid for each tree, my lord, 325 only.
325 for
against each tree, my lord.
Yes.
That is why, my lord, the petitioner before you, lordship, my lord, the rubber.
What is that assessment?
Assessment, my lord, at page Rate is not mentioned, my lord, at page, my lord, 17. Okay.
In earlier occasion, one direction was given to us to take instruction about the rate of the rubber trees. So we have made communicate to the respondent authorities. But the matter is listed after 4 years, so I have to take a remainder from the concerned authorities. So matter may be
2022.
yes, lordship. This was last posted on. Last posted on.
Matters pending since 2016. And notice was issued in 2016.
Yes, lordship. I had to say the order dated 6/20/22.
That's what I'm saying, 2022. You're supposed to obtain the instruction.
I have made communicate to the correspondent.
Whether they are entitled for this 162 rubber trees.
I have to take instruction, lordship.
Hmm?
I have to take the further instruction.
What is the assessment? Let us see. We'll dispose it of, you pay if they are entitled. What is the, where is the assessment?
My lord, assessment at page 17. 17.
17.
Right hand side, my lord. Serial
Rubber
number.
tree.
Yes, my lord. Rubber tree, medium 162 numbers. My lord, the rubber board, my lord, kindly come to page 28. Page 28, my lord, for a moment. My lord, rubber board of, my lord, they assess the value of the rubber tree. My lord,
For this purpose.
not for this purpose, my lord, they assess.
Page.
Page 28, my lord.
They have not assessed. You have asked for the certificate from the rubber board. It is informed that the rubber tree expected income during its 20 years of taping
This is, my
lifespan
lord,
and
general
cost of
assessment
rubber
that-
would be estimated as shown below. So 1,300 cost of rubber wood,
Yes,
1,500
13,810, my lord.
development cost, expected income, cost of rubber wood. So
Oh, my lord,
where is the award?
award, my lord, the assessment at page 17, my lord.
So where is
But
the award?
award that has been, my lord, deposited in the bank account of the petitioner, my lord, directly.
No. What is the award passed by the collector?
The award is not here, my lord.
Then-
Award is, my lord, kept.
How
in
do
the-
we know whether
kept-
you have been paid or not?
My lord, the award is kept in the office of the land acquisition office, my lord. And my lord, the amount has been, my lord, directly deposited in the bank account of the
Obviously.
petitioner.
So
So, my lord, I can put
how
my.
do you know that how do we know that whether the award that whether
We
the
verified in the office.
compensation was includes or excluded of the rubber trees?
We verified it in the office, my lord. We verified it in the office.
Where have you made the statement?
In land acquisition.
Have you
files.
made a statement in the writ petition?
My lord,
Because
yes, my lord.
your just claim will not
Yes,
do.
my lord, yes.
You
Yes,
have
my
to
lord.
support it.
There are nine, my lord. The petitioner begs to state that after submitting the necessary documents to receive the compensation of Zirat, the land acquisition officer prepared a list for disbursing the payment of compensation to the petitioner. Accordingly, the payment of compensation of Zirat has been deposited in the bank account of the petitioner's son on 17/8/2016, an amount of rupees 5,53,600 in respect of Zirat.
Including 162.
Yes, my lord.
Then
Including 162 numbers of rubber tree. The petitioner was shocked to know the value which was fixed for each rubber tree, that is 325 per rubber tree. After knowing the value fixed for each rubber tree, he raised objection, but
see, it's not a
He did
question of it has not been paid, but then you have been paid in a lesser this thing. lesser cost,
Yes,
according
ma'am.
to you.
Yes, ma'am.
That's your case only.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
What is the procedure of calculation by the collector? Well, the assessment is made.
My lord,
Is they supposed to blindly rely on
on
the,
their own will, my lord. They
then-
assess it on their own will.
then,
My lord,
though this page 28, it's just a certificate.
yes, my lord.
May not
It
be
is-
or may,
it
they
is
may accept or may not.
certified by the rubber board, my lord.
Huh?
So, my lord, 325, it is so much less.
You said that they have their own method of calculating it. Then,
No option, my lord. Petitioner has nothing.
huh?
Then petitioner has no option, my lord. If they say like that, my lord.
So,
The one key, my lord.
you are not
this is-
disputing their authority to calculate what would be the cost of particular tree and all those things. If you are not disputing and if you cannot show that
No, my lord.
they
the-
don't have an
my
authority
lord,
to
even-
calculate,
Even, my
right?
lord. Even, my lord, in the assessment.
You have
report,
accepted it.
the value is not mentioned, my lord.
Huh?
The value is not mentioned. Only the rubber tree medium 162 numbers.
Huh.
There is no, my lord,
So let us,
value as mentioned in the assessment.
huh. So how do you
So
know
my-
that this has
So,
been,
my
value
lord,
has
the
been,
petitioner has no knowledge that what value has been assessed by the authority.
then
They have to assess the value. And
from
they
what,
assess a much lesser value. my
see,
lord.
from where you came to know that it has been fixed to, fixed at the rate of rupees 325.
My lord, the other zirat are there, my lord.
Huh.
Other zirats, I have, the petitioner, my lord, check the calculation of the zirat value in the office of the, my lord, land acquisition, my lord. From these, my lord, everything he came to learn.
You got it from the office or is it given in the award?
Office, my lord, he himself checked in the office, my lord. Office of the land acquisition.
Huh.
And therefore, my lord.
Who
he
said
came
so?
to- The petitioner.
Petitioner were informed.
Petitioner himself, my lord,
Petitioners were
visited
informed.
the office of the land acquisition, my lord.
Yes.
And the assessment report and other documents, my lord.
Hmm.
He checked these all things, my lord, and he came to learn from this.
Therefore, you have filed a writ petition.
Yes.
Writ petition dismissed.
My lord, these, the, my lord, the assessment report is there, my lord.
Hmm.
They have, my lord, lacuna, my lord. The value is not mentioned. Nothing is mentioned, my lord.
Hmm. Simply you went to the office and somebody has informed you that they have fixed it for rupees 325.
That is
Therefore,
the
you filed a
official
writ
record, my
petition.
lord. That is why they did not.
So from where you have,
My lord,
which document shows that it has been fixed at rupees 325?
my lord, total deduct value has been paid to the petitioner 5 lakhs. My lord, 5 lakhs. 5 lakhs, my lord. Including all other zirat, my lord.
Hmm.
And exclude the all other zirat.
What
value, my lord.
what is the rate of other jirats?
That is not also mentioned in the.
Therefore, your petition is back dismissed. No particulars.
My lord, only 325, my lord.
You say they have the authority to calculate on their own. They have the
My
method.
lord, kindly come to the page 17, my lord.
Huh.
There are huge number of zirats, my lord.
Huh.
Only they paid 5 lakhs only, my lord.
From where you have come to know that what is the documents to show that this has been fixed at rupees
That is
325?
That is kept in the office of the land acquisition, my lord. The documents.
Hmm.
My lord, let them.
What sort of documents?
The assessment
Is it an
report,
award or is it assessment you have shown?
Award and assessment. Award and assessment, everything, my lord.
You file an RTI, get those applications,
Yes, my lord.
get where's those documents and
Yes,
come back. We'll
yes, my
see.
lord. Yes.
So we'll closing it.
Now, my lord.
We'll closing the
I
writ
will
petition.
Keep it pending, my lord.
We're closing the writ
My
petition.
lord, keep it pending
Or
for
else
a
dismiss.
week, my lord. I'll produce, my lord.
Hmm?
I'll produce.
What produce?
keep it pending. for a week,
2016,
my lord.
you are
Only-
sleeping over
Only
the
for a week,
matter.
my lord, I will produce everything, my lord.
You have got everything
Yes.
without any protest. Did you protest?
No, my lord, I applied certified copy.
Sir, there
Only,
is,
only a week, my lord. Allow
There's-
only a week, my lord.
there is a law in force. Law in force. The certain procedure has to be followed, right? You have accepted everything. There's a provision called under protest. If you receive the compensation without protest, you cannot claim again.
They came to learn after depositing the money.
And there's a
in the account,
provision for reference.
Yeah, that is why they did not go for a reference, my lord.
Huh.
This is the Zirat compensation.
Even if you cannot file a writ petition, see, the compensation is what? It consists including land and a jirat,
Yes.
right?
Land and Zirat, yes.
All right. Now you have received whatever the amount they have calculated without any protest, right? In both the acts, the repeal now 18 LA 1894 as well as 2013, there is a provision for receiving of the compensation under protest or on protest. You have not done so?
No, that has done, my lord.
Where?
The indemnity bond, there is, my lord, that is compensation has been received with protest, my lord.
Where it is?
That I have not annexed, my lord, the indemnity
You are
bond.
just saying whatever comes to your
My lord,
mind.
my lord,
It's a
my
red
lord, allow
code.
1 week time, my lord.
Sir, it's a red code.
I will, my
Try
lord.
to understand. It's a court of record, court of records.
My lord, after
Whatever
a week,
comes
my
to
lord,
you, you don't speak out.
let this matter be listed after week, my lord.
We'll see. Mr.
S.A. Ahmed.
S.A. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner. No, having realized that the writ petition has been filed without any particulars as the claim of the petitioner is as regards the compensation which the petitioner has already received without protest.
Yes. With protest, my lord.
Without protest, comma. The Mr. S.A. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that he may be granted a week's time to obtain instruction. List of considering that this court would not normally this court would not grant time to obtain instruction. No, it would not incline to grant time. However, considering the submissions of learned counsel for the petitioner, an opportunity, by providing an opportunity, let this matter be listed after a week. List of the learned counsel for the petitioner may obtain instruction. List of the maintainability of the writ petition shall be considered on the next date.
My lord.
We'll consider the maintainability also.
I will come back with a great hope, my lord. Oblige me.
List on fixed date. One, you are one.
2, 3 and 4.
2, 3 and 4. You may also obtain instruction.
Lordship, my humble
I'll not
submission,
record it.
Lordship, the-
Madam, both of you obtain instruction. I'll not record it.
my humble.
What is how they have calculated?
Even Lordship, the rubber board has not met party in this.
Forget about don't go for technicalities.
Get issued by the rubber board, Lordship.
Sir, We want to dismiss the writ petition. You are going for technicalities.
I think can it be on 14?
14.
14.
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, on behalf of my senior, Mr. A. Nazari,
Where is?
due to some personal difficulties, he is not able to appear today. Kindly
Why?
granted,
Where is?
it's not in Gauhati.
He's not in Gauhati. Where he is? Do you have any idea about this matter? See, he's the respondent number 3 and the 4 are the son and daughter-in-law.
Yes, Your Lordship.
And he's not only taking care of their parents, rather keep harassing them. And in the process, while this writ petition is pending, the father has unfortunately expired. Have some heart. What kind of son and daughter-in-law? You are abusing your parents, who have taken a pain to give birth and brought you up. And after marriage, you are not only taking care, you are harassing, abusing your parents. What is this? We'll direct this respondent number 2 and 3, 3 and 4 to personally appear. All right. You just tell your senior that court has taken a very serious view. This cannot be allowed. We are civilized society. Or your respondent number 3 has some mental issue or what?
Sir, I don't have, I am not aware with the.
We are
date.
passing the order. We'll give you the copy. All right. When you can ask them to appear personally.
Senior appear. Your Lordship.
Friday?
Your Lordship,
Friday, can he appear?
on Friday.
Friday?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Friday. Then third Miss MS
Espal.
S
Espal.
S Paul or Pal.
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 Paul.
Paul. I don't know, S Paul. PAUL. Learned counsel for the
Appearing on behalf of Mr.
learned counsel appearing on behalf of
Mr. BJ Mukherjee.
BJ Mukherjee, learned counsel for the petitioners. And also Mr. H.K. Hazrika, learned state counsel for respondent 1 and 2, as well as MS
F. Nag. F. Nag.
F. Nag, learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. A. Narzari, learned counsel for the respondent 3 and 4. Next para. This petition involves an unfortunate claim of helpless parents against their son and daughter-in-law who abuses and with an allegation abuse and threat to the life of their parents, which led to the miserable condition of the petitioners. Next para. Considering above, let this matter be. Next para. While taking serious exception to such an incident, such an unfortunate alleged act of the son and the respondent number 3 and 4, who are the son and daughter-in of the petitioners. This court would this court has taken up the matter. However, the MS so and so FNA Learned Counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. Nazari, Learned Counsel for respondent number 3 and 4, submits that due to personal difficulty, the Mr. Nazari, Learned Counsel, could not appear before this court today. Therefore, praised for listing of the matter on Friday. Next para. Considering the issue involved and the prayer for adjournment is granted till Friday next, till Friday. Friday is 8/08 05/2026. Next para. It is made clear that on the next date, if the respondent number 3 and 4 are not represented by are not represented, then in the event, sorry, on the next date, it is made clear that on the next date, it is made clear that in the event the petitioners, respondent number 3 and 4 are not represented, on the next date, appropriate orders shall be passed, including for personal appearance, including personal appearance of the respondent 3 and 4. Have you understood?
Yes, Lord.
Just inform your senior.
Lordship, on last occasion also they are not appearing.
It's a matter of stoppage.
No.
Dismiss, will dismiss. Not appears for the petitioners on call. Matter pertains to Mr. MS and MD London Standing Council Transport Department is present.
I'm at for respondent number 2, 4, and 5.
And so. Then are present, you just say. The matter pertains to decision to discontinue the petitioners who are the bus association of bus owners do not allow the bus stoppage near the PWD office Dibrugarh. list of the petitioners remains unrepresented. Despite the matter being pending since 2012 and subsequently filed another writ petition 2016. List of considered above, it appears that the petitioners are no longer interested to pursue the matter. At the same time, the issue involved is a trivial one. Thus, the writ petition stands dismissed for non-prosecution.
Deeply obliged, my lord.
May it please, your lordship.
Yes.
This is a maternal death issue, my lord.
Ah.
But the respondents have not filed their affidavit yet.
What is the issue?
Maternal death, my lord. The mother expired while giving birth, my lord. And the child also expired, my lord. And the reason was, my lord,
Have you approached the consumer protection
my lord,
under
this
the
is-
Consumer Protection Act, Consumer Court?
No, my lord.
Should have. Why
Because, my
writ
lord,
petition?
there are schemes under which, my lord, this.
You are seeking
it's
compensation under scheme,
compensation, my lord.
under the
Yes, my
scheme.
lord. There is one order of this.
Are you
Supreme
alleging
Court.
negligence of the doctors?
Negligence, my lord, and my lord, there is a report also.
Have you
259.
approached the Consumer Court?
No, my lord.
You could have. You could have. Because what is the policy
Policy, my
or
lord,
the provisions for
National Family Benefit Scheme, my lord, under that, my lord. But in this particular case, there are lapses on the part of the, my lord, hospital authorities.
That's why.
Because, my lord, the blood transfusion was not done in proper time.
That's why I'm
As-
saying the compensation. If we also find that your claim genuine,
My lord,
and if we find that there is negligence,
My
it
lord.
will be.
because, my lord, my writ petition is not only limited to compensation only, my
Ah.
lord. There, my lord, I'm praying for, my lord, that
Yes, you. What do you say? Who is for health department? Who is the main respondent?
health department, my lord,
Yes.
and NHM.
Yes. National Health Mission. Are you appearing for a health department? Health department. Not instruction, you have to file a
Affidavit.
proper affidavit. We're granting you 3 weeks. Heard, Mr.
MK Das, my lord.
MK Das, learned counsel to the petitioner. Notice was issued
Issued, my lord.
2016.
16,
2016,
my lord.
2 weeks. Then last month, on the prayer of next prayer. And also heard Mr. Bija Talukdar, legislative counsel to the state respondents, and
That's one number 5. Right.
correspondent 5. Then, okay, on the prayer of Miss MS Ebora, learned counsel, standing counsel, NHM prays for and is granted 2 weeks time to file affidavit on behalf of respondent number, both the respondent, NHM and
Health department.
health department. NHM as well as and health department of health. Health and family welfare or what? Health services.
Health and family welfare.
Health and family welfare. As a last chance. List after 2 weeks.
I prefer a date, my lord.
Give after 2 weeks.
Deeply obliged. Deeply obliged.
I must say.
Please, Lordship.
Yes, sir.
Matter pertains to the industrial subsidy, Lordship, which has been rejected by the state level committee. The rejection is illegal and beyond the scope of the scheme. They have taken considerations of the values and other intricacies not applicable in the case of the petitioner, Lordship. Respondents have appeared, but till date they have not filed any affidavit. And
So what
perhaps
is
we
to
can
be done?
proceed, in absence of the affidavit. The matter is pertains to the Central Capital Investment Subsidy Scheme 2007. Under the scheme, any existing industries which has going for expansion subsequent to its initial startup is entitled to get the benefit of 30% subsidy reimbursement on the cost of the plant and machinery installed in the industries, Lordship. But take your Lordship to first the Annexure 1, page 25, which is Northeast Industrial and Investment Promotion Policy of 2007, dated 1/4/2007.
What is the impute order rejection? Where is the rejection?
Lordship rejection, one is Lordship will get at page 46, Annexure A5.
This is under the scheme only.
Under the scheme only.
It's
But-
not a statutory provision. It's a scheme only.
The scheme. Under the scheme.
So the
if
procedure is that you may make a claim and
we have
then
made
the
a claim,
committee will decide.
committee has rejected it, Lordship.
Then
On
committee
2
will decide.
occasions it has rejected.
Huh?
But 2 occasions they have rejected. But
So?
grounds of rejection is not tenable in law, Lordship.
Why?
Because the scheme does not say for consideration of those grounds. The scheme simply says that for my expansion of industrial unit, if I install new plant and machineries and make an investment on the capital investments, on that I will get the reimbursement. That is clear.
In respect of the expansion claims, it was informed that as the basic objective of expansion was to enhance the production, so and so, bringing efficient, reduce the cost of production. These aspects should be reflected in the production figure filed by the unit to excise. T board employment sales income, so and accordingly as per decision of previous SLC, this additional information is sought from the expansion units and placed with the claim. All
This
the
consi-
financial banks are also invited. Altered by discount obtaining views of the official the claims financed by then the committee examined all 54 numbers of CCS claims placed before the SLC. They approved 38 numbers of claims, 5 numbers claims were deferred, and 11 numbers of claims are. You comes under 11.
Lordship.
You comes under 11 numbers of the claimants who have been, which
Yes.
has been.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship will find I have
Rejected.
given on page 48 the true type copy.
Huh?
The true type copy of the consideration of my
So what's wrong here?
Lordship. This consideration which Lordship has just gone through,
Huh?
on page 47, is beyond the scope of the scheme. These considerations are not at all relevant.
What is the objective?
Objective is for making the industrial unit to make an expansion, to come up with more better production levels and for production of industry.
This is what they are saying. Sir, that is what they are saying.
Lordship. But the thing is,
For that, you need to show certain things. And it's the satisfaction,
No,
the subjective satisfaction of the committee.
that is what Lordship, and this,
You cannot say that unless it is a statutory provision, it's under the policy. They'll look into the objective of the policy. I think we find that this is
there are
fair
points
enough.
also on this, Lordship. where this honorable court has held that these considerations by the state level committee is not proper and beyond the scope of jurisdiction. They cannot look into those things. The only scope is that whether I have made a capital investment in terms of the policy, the scheme.
So according to you, whoever makes a claim,
Lordship.
according to you, whoever makes a claim, without there being any other consideration,
to
it has to be granted.
Yes, Lordship. They only have to scrutinize that whether investments was done or not, whether expansion was actually done
And that will be
or not. On that, their judgments, Lordship, by this honorable court itself.
what is the policy?
Lordship, Lordship, I'll first take a Lordship to Annexure 1, page 25. That is the Northeast Industrial and Investment Promotion Policy of 2007. Clause 2 is the duration, which speaks all new as well as existing units which go into substantial expansion unless otherwise specified and which commence commercial production within the 10 years period from date of notification of NEIP 2007 will be eligible for incentives for a period of 10 years from the date of commencement of commercial production. So it says that units which go into for substantial expansion. Then page 26, clause 4, what do we mean by substantial expansion? Page 26, Lordship. Incentives on substantial expansion will be given to units effecting an increase by not less than 25% in the value of fixed capital investment in plant and machinery for the purpose of expansion of capacity, modernization and diversification as against an increase of 33.5% which was prescribed in NEIP 1997. So the consideration is increase in investment of at least 25% of the value of fixed capital in plant and machinery. That is the only consideration and primary consideration, Lordship. Then I take your Lordship to clause 7, capital investment subsidy. Capital investment subsidy will be enhanced from 15% of the investment in plant and machinery to 30%. And the limit for automatic approval of subsidy in this.
Have you shown all this? Have you submitted all this?
Yes, Lordship. We have submitted all this. Then this is the NEIPP, Lordship. As per this, the Government of India had come out with the scheme, which is, Lordship, will find at page 30, Annexure 2. This is the Central Capital Investment Subsidy Scheme 2007. This scheme was introduced in terms of the NEIPP 2007.
So,
clause 3, applicability. Unless otherwise specified, all new industrial units as well as existing units which
you are claiming under this 2007?
Lordship.
Huh?
Yes.
First one or page 30 you are claiming. Your claim is under this.
Under this scheme.
Under this scheme
Under
or
this
first
scheme.
one?
Under the first one, this scheme has been formulated, Lordship. NEIPP is for the entire Northeast, which speaks of different subsidies which will be provided to an industrial unit. And for the specific capital investment subsidy, this scheme was separately formulated.
Subsequently?
Yes, Lordship.
So you have already availed this page 25?
No. Lordship will come to again page 25, starting on page 26. What are the schemes which will be given? It's stated income tax exemption, excise duty exemption.
No, what I am asking is which one you have availed? Have you availed any scheme?
I have applied for capital investment subsidy on expansion of my industrial unit.
You have not availed anything? Initially, you have not availed anything?
Initially, I have availed. Yes. Initially, I have availed under the previous scheme, which was of 1997. Subsequently, in 2007, they have given for expansion also.
Page 25.
Lordship.
So under this you have applied?
Yes.
So according to then
that was rejected. Now, as per page 25,
30 is what?
Lordship,
Page 30 is what?
page 30 is the specific scheme which has been floated by the central government in terms of page 25.
So,
because page 25 says different sets of incentives which will be available to an industrial unit. One was his capital investment subsidy. For that, special scheme was separately formulated by central government, which is page 30. Under this, as per the requirement of the scheme, what things need to be done, how much will be the subsidy will be provided, what are the documents to be provided. As per the scheme, I have applied it.
Who has to give the subsidy? State government or central government?
Central government.
Ah.
But it has to be first sanctioned by the state government, through a state level committee, by the Commissioner of Industries, Assam.
Ah.
The state level committee, when they scrutinized my claim, they have rejected on the grounds which, as per me, is not tenable.
So what are the respondents?
Respondents are, Lordship, the Commissioner, State of Assam,
Ah. Union of India, who are they?
Commissioner of Industries,
Where are they? State of Assam?
State of Assam represented by the Industries Department, Lordship.
Main is the state.
Main is the state, Lordship, for time being.
Who has rejected your claim?
Yes, Lordship. When we go to the scheme, the consideration is that I make a minimum 25% investment for expansion of my industrial unit.
No, it's okay. I'm understood what to do. What are these people, these respondents? Where are they?
Lordship, on the last occasion,
K. Gogoi, learned additional senior government advocate.
yes, Lordship, he appeared and it took time.
Can you inform K. Gogoi?
Okay.
We'll take it up after some
After
time.
some time, Lordship.
Hold.
My lord, in this case, the petitioners are a tea garden company, my lord. And their some lands, my lord, 3 kotha 14 lesser were taken over by the electricity department long back and without any due process of law. And neither any requisition was done nor acquisition done. And no rent has been paid till today.
5 minutes. I'll come back after 5 minutes.
Problem. Is under occupation of the APDCL, my lord, from long back. During the Chinese aggression, my lord, airbase was set up there in the garden lands, along with a substation for electricity, my lord. Regarding the Air Force land, the petitioners got compensation, which was done through acquiring the land. But this small part of land, that is 3 kathas, 14 lesas of land, where the substation has been set up to cater to the needs of the defense and public, my lord. But no due process was done, my lord. Neither any requisition process nor any land acquisition process. The petitioners have been pressing for their rent or any compensation, but the state government was not.
What is the area?
3 kathas, 14 lesas, my lord. And it is an admitted fact that they are there and they have also written to the land acquisition officer, my lord.
14 lessers.
14 lessers, my lord.
Where it is?
My lord, this is in Sonapur, my lord. Near.
It is used for
Substation of electricity, my lord. To distribution of electricity.
substation.
Yes, ma'am.
APDCL.
APDCL.
So
So now in this petition, we are praying for direction to initiate the land acquisition process. So that due compensation can be granted to us.
how do you know on what basis you are claiming this land?
My lord, this has been taken over without any due process of law by the state, my lord. So without.
How do you know?
Because
How
we
do
are
we
the
know?
owner, our land is still in our name. We are paying revenue also.
Where is the record?
My lord, Annexure 2, page 32.
32.
Yes, my lord, that is the land records, my lord.
Here, my lord,
Sonapur Tea Company Limited.
yes, my lord. That is FC grant one, my lord. And DAG number at the top is 115, my lord. So out of these lands, my lord, some of the
Area
land-
11. 11 bigger, 11
Yes.
lecture.
This is a part of those lands, my lord, under DAG.
That's why I'm asking, how do we know
Because the circle officer has also,
where it is?
My
This
lord.
is the total area.
yes,
What it call it? 11 bigger.
11 lesser and 202.14.
What is this?
This is a commercial land they say.
Then 13 bigger.
13 bigger, 3 kata, 11 lesser. Again, 1 bigger, 3 kata, 15, and 15 bigger, 11
So which out of which area you are claiming?
From
You are
DAG
saying
15,
three
from DAG
katas?
15 only.
Huh?
DAG 115 only. At the top is the DAG number.
I have understood.
Yes.
The area is how much? This is 3 areas.
Yes, well, that will be established by the report of the circle office, madam. That is at page 53.
53.
See, my lord, this is the office of the circle officer, Sonapur Revenue Circle. May I read, my lord?
Yes.
In connection with report of possession. Sir, in connection with the above subject and reference and the report of possession has been sought for in the above letter, I am to inform you that it has been learned from the report of Lot Mundal that AGM Sonapur Electrical Subdivision has been possessing a portion of the land, 3 kathas, 14 lesser, covered by DAG number 115 and Patta number 1 of FC Grant Village, Boruabari under Panbari Muza. Report of Mondal and press map and copy of Sita are enclosed herewith for necessary action. This is the report of the
Other areas are except this is still under your possession.
no, my lord, because other lands are taken over by under that
By due
the,
process.
due process by initiating acquisition process, my lord,
Then
by the Air Force, and this land was not included there.
this was left out.
This was left out because under the position of the APDCL, and no due process was done for acquiring this part of the land. That's why the petitioners are before your lordship.
Is there entry in the record after the acquisition?
Madam, that the circle officer can say, man. Circle officers
I'm
report.
asking, you must be knowing. You are no longer the owner of the land now. That has already been acquired
Yes, man, acquired land.
for Air Force.
Air Force, man, long back in 1963, man.
So this cannot be in your name now.
That land is not in my name, but this part of the land is in our name.
No, this part of land, this is of which record? This page 32?
Well, it is the report of the,
Page 32.
yes, man. This is the copy of the Joma Bandi, man.
Which year?
This was filed in 22, madam. In the year 22.
So how can be in your name in 2000? It was the
Well, in 22 to 2012, my lord. 33A.
32. Page 32.
Yes, my lord. Page 32.
When it was acquired in 1963, how can be in your name again?
That acquisition process was done much later, my lord. Because in my additional affidavit, I got on record, my lord.
So is it been dispute?
It is not in dispute, my lord. My lord, may kindly see the affidavit in reply that I have filed.
See, this report of the Lieutenant Circle Officer, page 653, has been possessing a portion of land measuring so about the number so and so. Patta number 1 of FC. Grant of village Barubari. What is this? Village? What is this village?
Village Boruabari, my lord.
Where it is?
My lord, at the last line of the paragraph.
No, here, page 32. Dag number 115.
My lord, this is a,
Where is the patta number? Of FC grant of village Baruabari.
yes, Boruabari.
Where is the location?
My lord, in the next page that is in vernacular, that page 33, my lord. In vernacular, it is written, my lord.
Where it is?
Gaon Boruabari at top end, my lord, on the right hand side.
Then Jila.
Yes, my lord.
Jila is what?
Jila is Kamrup Metro, my lord.
It doesn't say Moja is not there.
Gaon is there, my lord.
Huh?
Gaon is there.
Village is there, but
Because this is under one patta, my lord.
village Baruabari,
Yes, ma'am.
Gaon,
Yes.
under Panpari, Moja.
Circle has 33.
Circle is not there. Circle is there.
Yes, circle Sonapur, my lord. Moja is also there, Panbari.
Where it is?
My lord, at page 33A.
I don't know. Then why have not mentioned here?
And this was a type copy, my lord.
It's a type copy or translated?
Translated type copy.
So translated type copy, why you have not mentioned it? Baruabari, village, where is Moja?
My lord, on the top, my lord, on the left hand side.
No, page 32.
32.
District Kamrup Metro.
District Kamrup Metro, village town, Boruabari, my lord.
Moja is where?
My lord, Moja was, I think, left out, my lord, because in the vernacular it is there, my lord. It is Panbari, my lord. And circle was Sonapur. At page 33A.
Yes. So you want that is your land?
It's, yes,
There is no acquisition, only.
they are still possessing without the due process of law, my lord. No rent.
Yes, what do you say?
It has been possessed by APDC. Lordship, it is as it appears, I do not have any instruction, but as it appears, my lord.
You have not filed affidavit. You are the one who has to acquire the land.
But unless we get the instruction from the requiring department, we cannot do it.
Yes, APDC. You have filed the affidavit. What is your stand? Two, three, four, 5, and 6.
2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, Your Lordship.
Hmm.
I was saying is mainly on the purport of this delay in latches we are holding on, Your Lordship. After a gap of 63 years, he has come before this court. Now at paragraph 5 of affidavit, Your Lordship.
Vidya Devi.
Lordship.
Vidya Devi.
Vidya Devi. He is coming out of 63 years, Your Lordship, before this court.
Vidya Devi.
Vidya Devi. Paragraph 5, if I may take, Your Lordship, of this affidavit.
Delay goes. Vidya Devi. If you are not disputing it's his land, doesn't make any difference.
Paragraph 5.
The right to property, under 300A. Vidya Devi versus State of Himachal Pradesh.
Himachal.
You have the judgment.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Para? Yes.
Previous contents of the preceding paragraph, deponents say that huge tracts of lands were acquired by the Deputy Commissioner Kamrup for setting up of an Air Force station at Borja in the year 1963. Deputy Commissioner Kamrup further also handed over a portion of the acquired land to the respondent APDCL for catering to electricity requirements of the Air Force station. The entire exercise was carried out in rapid manner in a view of ongoing Chinese aggression that posed a threat to national security.
Okay.
That land was handed over to us by the Deputy Commissioner, Lordship.
When?
1963.
63. APDCL. Any documents to show that?
Annex, your lordship.
When this is very important.
Yes. But our stand is clear that deputy commissioner,
See, it's a it was handed over after acquiring the land for Air Force, right?
Air Force.
Yes. Out of that acquired land, you have been given the portion of the land. This is what you understand. What is that document? That is very important document. I don't think you have. Otherwise, you could have annexed it. Very, very important documents.
Because the substation was installed to cater the needs of the Air Force station, your lordship.
When? The Air Force is still there.
Yes, yes. The air base. And in fact, my lord, the executive engineer of Jagi Road Electrical Division has written to the land acquisition officer, my lord.
Where?
That is at page 35, annexure 4. And he has said that as no record is available with the office, whatever record I have found in the East Division is also appended to this letter. The plot of land marked by Sonapur Tea Company is now.
Where it is?
Page 35, my lord. Annexure 4.
In which year?
My lord, this was in 2002. 5/3/2002.
Land for Sonapur sub. I have received a letter so and so from Sonapur Tea Company with the photographs which is appended here for February. In this case, I would like to inform you that inside the Air Force along the whole process of building and service. What does it say?
It says
It's
that-
against you.
No.
In this connection, I would like to inform that the 33 this is 33?
Page 35, man.
No. The 33/11 kV.
Yes.
Sonapur
Is
substation.
situated inside the Air Force colony.
Air Force colony, yes.
The whole process of building the substation and office of the substation was started before creation of this division.
Yes.
The entire process was then supervised by Gauhati Electrical Division East.
Ah.
As such, no record is available with the office. Whatever record I have found in the East Division is also appended with this letter. The plot of land as marked by Sonapur Tea Company is now may be occupied by the office of the Assistant Executive Engineer, Electrical Division, Electrical Subdivision.
So,
As such, I'll request you kindly.
but then this is within the Air Force,
That-
inside the Air Force colony,
It was only
which
for-
has been the area was
But
already
this part
acquired
was
for
not-
Air Force.
this
If
part
it
was-
is within the Air Force colony, then
Well, that the Union government has stated that they have not required. But they are supposed to file an affidavit. They did not file that.
any other documents?
Well, there are.
As of now, there is no documents. You have not shown any documents that this particular plot, that is 3B cutters, 14 laces, is not been acquired, and it's outside the acquired land.
Yes, man.
This
But-
page 33.
Yes.
Sorry, page 34. Page 34.
Because
This page 35.
35, man.
Page 35 says that this is inside the Air Force colony.
Yes, madam. But again, if lordship may come to annexure 12 at page 46. The land of acquisition officer of ACB, my lord, in 2011.
46. Yes.
Here is, the subject is land of Sonapur substation. With reference to the subject above, I am directed to enclose herewith a photocopy of the trace map issued from your end, that this letter is to the circle officer. N of a plot of land bearing patta number FS Grant 1 covered by DAG number 115 measuring 16 bigha 11 lesa of land under Panbari Moja belonging to Messrs Sonapur Tea Company with a request to kindly mark out the location of the existence of Sonapur substation ACB within the said plot of land, along with a copy of the SITA of the aforesaid land. The documents are needed for discussing and sorting out some matter about the land with Sonapur Tea Company. You are therefore requested to assist sending the report.
So this is only a request only,
Yes.
with a
Why
request
not-
to
and
kindly
there-
mark
there-
out. You have said that you mark out this plot.
And thereafter, my lord, the
Hmm.
circle officer at page 47.
Ah.
Circle officer gives a trace map, my lord,
Hmm.
with the area of 3 kathas 14 lesas
Hmm.
part under DAG 115.
Hmm. So
That is also village Borabari, Moja Panbari.
so that has been given. What's wrong with it?
My lord, at page 48, my lord, they
How
have
do you
marked
help
out.
it? How it's helping you? It's a trace map. You just
Yes,
mark
because
it out.
This
That's
DAG
all.
1115 belongs to us, madam.
No. What does it say? What does it say?
Because in the Sita copy, our name is still there in the land report.
So, but you are admitting that the entire land has been acquired.
Yes, my lord, because we have filed an additional, in our affidavit in reply, we have annexed
What?
the judgment, another judgment of this honorable court, my lord,
Saying what?
saying the land that was acquired, my lord,
Hmm.
regarding the compensation to be paid, and that does not include this land, my lord.
Huh? You have nobody claim for that land here.
But
So
they-
what's the problem here?
But this is an admitted fact that they are on our land, my lord.
So this is of which land, which area? Same area.
Same area, no?
Hmm?
Not same area, my lord, contiguous area,
Huh?
contiguous area.
This is contiguous area.
Yes.
So how do you relate to this?
Because in that case, my lord, land acquisition case was registered, my lord.
Is this 13 bigger katas, 14 lessers?
Yeah.
Is a part of this land?
Part, my lord.
Part of this land.
Part of this land, but it was not acquired.
Part of this land.
Yes, ma'am.
Why have not included here then in that case?
Well, because the defense did not want that part of the land.
Hmm.
And
So
and
what
there
is
was
what is
some
the
more-
what is the area here?
in 115, man.
No, 2718.
27.
The judgment.
Yes, madam.
Huh.
Well, at the judgment, my lord, page 102, if your lordship may come.
Hmm.
That is the reply affidavit, my lord.
Hmm.
At paragraph, my lord, 1, 2, 3, my lord. It is further stated in WPC 2718 of 2009, the petitioner had earlier filed an interlocutory application where was registered as Ms. So-and-so, wherein it was contended that there was discrepancy between the land acquired formally by the defense authorities and land
actually under its possession. This court disposed of the interlocutory application by order dated so and so by directing Deputy Commissioner to carry out joint verification, measurement of land in question in association with the defense establishment. It is stated that following such survey and verification, it was found that an additional 101.053 acres of land was under the occupation of the defense establishment beyond the land already acquired. It was contended that out of such additional land, 261 bighas, 4 kathas, 5 lakhs belong to the petitioner. It was further contended that the respondents were bound to pay rental compensation for such unauthorized use of land of the petitioner till such land was formally acquired under a new law which had replaced the Land Acquisition Act 1894, that is right to.
Whether this 261 bighas, 4 kathas,
Yes.
whether this land, present land
No, my lord.
falls under this or not.
No, this was under the occupation of the Air Force.
Therefore, it has it's got nothing to do with it.
Yes, my lord, because this land was on the outside the Air Force land, my lord, that was acquired from our land.
But they say that it's inside.
That is one letter, my lord, they have said. In one letter by
Not
the
letter,
executive
they have
engineer.
made a categorical statement that it has been constructed. No, that letter shows that it is inside the Air Force colony.
But again, here it is stated 1015 acres of land was under occupation of a defense establishment beyond the land acquired.
Therefore, these 261 bighas.
So this Air Force station, my lord, was catering to the, sorry, my lord, electricity substation was catering to the needs of the Air Force station.
So whether this 261 bighas of 4 kathas has been settled after the judgment of this order of this court.
Well, that I have to check on.
See, you cannot have the piecemeal kind of
My
thing.
lord, may allow me to file an additional affidavit.
What additional affidavit? You are relying on this judgment of this court.
Yes, my lord.
Way back in
Regarding the correction, my lord, on the land records,
what correction?
that these lands have been acquired.
What had happened after this judgment?
Well,
3/1/2019.
This compensation they have received, my lord.
So, one after another, you cannot. You have to
but
clarify.
Malad-
See, at that point of time, you claim it for 261 bighas,
Yes.
right?
Yes, my lord.
So now you are claiming 3 kathas only, where the substation is there.
Yes, my lord.
So the record shows that it is constructed within the Air Force colony. So it can be presumed that this land also comes under this when you have already received the land.
But the circle officer has stated that it is under possession of the APDCL, my lord.
What does it make a difference? If it is within the acquired land, whether the APDCL or any other.
This land has never been acquired.
It's
my
not to you to question.
because the
It is
APDCL.
it is the requiring authority whose favor the land has been acquired, whether allow them to be there or not. And this is basically for the Air Force only substation.
But now the APDCL in a proposal wants to buy that land from us, my lord.
Huh?
The APDCL in a proposal has stated that we want to buy this land from
Where it is?
without the due process, my lord.
Why?
It is in the affidavit also.
You want to buy this land?
In the
What's such intimation regarding buying this land, your lordship?
well, there is, my lord. I'm not being able to find it out now.
When the substation was constructed?
Was constructed. What was in the year 19?
Where's the letter of that chief engineer, this thing, engineer?
Engineer is at annexure 5, my lord.
Page.
Page
37.
No, my lord, it's not 37. Is that annexure 4, page 35, my lord.
Two thousand two.
2002, my lord. 5/3,
And the
2000.
judgment is of 2020, 2019.
Later on.
So. Did you have have you made any statements saying that you want to buy this land?
Yes, my lord. There is a statement.
Find out. Please find out.
No such statement has been made, Your Lordship.
My lord will just give me some time.
Yes, you find out. Yes, madam. What is your stand? You have not filed any affidavit. What is this here? Madam, you could have said so.
The last occasion I have submitted that instruction before the court, that is in.
Yes, you have said that this was long time back.
Long time back, but last occasion, but I think last or the.
April, 1 month back.
No, but last.
02/04/2026.
Oh.
Today is what?
Today is third ballot. We have already sent for vetting, and this is not in under our position ballot as per the affidavit of APDCL, that is page number 74 ballot. APDCL, that is, kindly see page number 74 ballot.
Saying what?
B ballot, that the deponent more respectfully stated it is admitted position that the actual possession of the land in question was taken by the respondent APDCL in 1963, and that APDCL possession of the land has been continuous and has been remains exclusive, undisturbed and uninterrupted till date, madam. That is not under the position of Air Force, madam.
So your stand is like that.
Yes, madam, and
This land is the parcel of land is which they are claiming is not under your possession. Yes, Mr. Gogoi. Once they say that it's not under our possession, it is under the, since you have said that it is under exclusive possession, 1963.
But the letter, Your Lordship, it says it's inside the Air Force Station,
It
Lordship.
doesn't make it is by the but your own statement by this affidavit in 2026, you said.
Lordship, let that affidavit come on record. We'll take instance whether they.
No.
statement
Once
has been-
they say it, we'll record. We have
In,
we have spent considerable amount of time.
my lord, even in Annex 16 of the writ petition, my lord,
Hmm.
the secretary ACB has suggested that they want to buy this land from us.
Where it is?
Page 62, my lord, Annex 16.
62.
62 page of the writ petition, my lord.
Manager, Sonafo.
Yes. By the secretary, Assam
This
State
will inform your
Electricity.
Assam Public Distribution Company. has taken a decision purchase of land under occupation FPZ Sonapur. However, before executing sale deed prohibition.
This was in 2012.
Yes.
This was never acted upon, Lordship. It never.
But then it
It's
indicates.
a mere communication, just a mere communication.
No, no, but it indicates
Those tables on-
that it has not been acquired. And there is no statement except to say that this is hit by or barred by limitation. Right? Delay in laches. Then you are not saying that it has been acquired. I was under the impression, this court was under the impression that if the entire land is acquired for Air Force, and if it is within that Air Force, and he has no, documents to show that this portion of land in question has been carved out or something like that. So you would not have any claim over the matter. But then when you say that it has been possession in 1963, right? And the requiring authority, Union of India saying that it's not on our possession, it's outside their land, then you'll have to acquire the land and pay compensation.
Union affidavit come on record because their statement is necessary,
You
Your
don't,
Lordship.
you don't believe your colleague or what?
Statements, Your Lordship. We have to
Do
get the
you have
statement.
any doubt on her statement?
But the statement, I think.
We'll record it. Let petition allowed.
We produce them before the APDCL saying that this is a statement of union saying that the land is out of the possession of the Air Force. And that to get the clarification whether it's inside or outside. If it's inside, it's a
There
different
is no
issue.
instruction.
Your stand is that it's under the possession of you, under your possession by your affidavit. And page 62, there's a proposal to
By
buy it, which indicates that you have not acquired the land. There is a letter to the petitioner. Yes, by next week you file your affidavit because Mr. Mr. Gogoi doesn't rely on you. He has some doubt on your statement. Of course, on lighter note, huh? Don't take it seriously.
no, my lord. They have
No.
taken enough time.
We'll keep it part heart. We have expended considerable time. 2 weeks, part heart. You also find out.
Yes.
Forget about the delay. Delay,
Yes.
the privacy were not accepting the, you are harping on the delay because you know that reason being why the respondent takes the serious objection or taken the ground of technicality when they showed an on merit they don't have the case. So you also clarify yourself.
We'll clarify, sir.
You heard Mr.
M. Khatania.
M. Katani, learned counsel for the petitioner. And also heard Mr. Who number 1, 2, number 3? One is
State
Vijay
Revenue
Tarukar.
Department, then disaster.
Pierre Mahanta, revenue. Then 2,
2, 3, 4, 5, and 6.
B. Gogoi.
RR Google.
Sorry, RR Gogoi, Standing Council, APDSL, for so and so. And 7, 8, 9. And Madam? 10. Next, madam. Hearing to continue. No. List a matter after 2 weeks for
2
further consideration. 2 weeks. 3 weeks.
No, well, 2 weeks, man, enough time has gone.
Okay, but then
Last time they
since
said
you are
the
adjourning
instructions
for their affidavit,
Yes.
for her affidavit, it's of no point if they cannot file. 3
They have
weeks.
already said before.
The matters remains shall remain. No. You just said no. After hearing you just delete the last last sentence, huh? After their name, huh? After hearing learned counsel for the parties at some length, this court is of the view that the affidavit in opposition of the Union of India would be necessary for proper adjudication of the matter. List of does let this matter be listed after 3 weeks as spread forward. MS G Gyan, A Gyan, learned CJC for so as to enable her to file the affidavit on behalf of the Union of India. List of matter remains part heard. That's all.
Obliged.
But you never know after 3 weeks when this court will be.
Right.
Once it is part heard, it will
Yes,
remain.
Much
As and when
obliged.
it sits, huh?
Item 16.
Yes. What is the matter, sir?
Lordship, this matter, they are asking to pass appropriate orders to release the vehicle of the petitioner, Lordship, which was seized.
None appears for the petitioner on call. Mr. Mr. R.R. Gogoi, learned.
Forest Department.
Is the Stingan Forest Department is present. It is seen that on 25/03/2022, when the metro was called, the petitioner remains unrepresented. Considering about, no, it appears that the petitioner is no longer interested to pursue this matter. Accordingly, the petition states dismissed for non-prosecution.
Item 20.
Yes.
Matter seeking personnel security officer, Lordship. We have already filed our affidavit, Lordship, which indicates that there is no any threat perception, Lordship. That is why it is, they have not recommended for PSO, Lordship.
So
Where is your affidavit? Where is the affidavit? Do you have served the affidavit? Who is for the petitioner? But they have filed a
reply also, Lord.
reply saying what?
May I please your Lordship, my Lord?
Yes.
In this matter, Lordship, Senior Counsel Mr. Elkadas is appearing, Lord. He is on legs, Lordship. Lordship, may kindly pass over this matter for that day, Lordship.
Day or
Day.
at 2?
Day, Lordship, at 2 also continue.
See, when you are the prayer is for what?
Lordship.
Grant of personal security officer.
And by the order dated, Lordship, 6/11/2025, we were directed to obtain the threat assessment report, Lordship, which we have obtained, Lordship.
6/11.
6/11/2025.
The
report indicates that there is no any threat perception.
Where it is the where is the report?
Which I can.
After the filing of the affidavit.
It was not annexed to the affidavit. That is why court directed us to obtain this report. And the very second page, Lordship, point number 13 and 18, Lordship, may kindly have a look. Points number 13 and 18.
There is no any specific threat form, but the applicant informed regarding his threat from opposite parties. Then paragraph serial number 13.
13 and 18.
18. Where is 18? Okay.
Point number 18.
18, there's no any specific threat and PSO not recommended. Yes,
This indicates this petition is devoid of any merit. Lordship may dismiss it. No.
we'll take it up at 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock.
Tomorrow, Lordship. Tomorrow.
Not tomorrow, today. Or you may bring on record so that
Yes.
they may reply.
Lordship. We can file a
Because his senior is not there. Otherwise, there's nothing.
Otherwise, Lordship. There is nothing, Lordship.
Who are you?
Lordship.
Who are you?
Lordship, I am the
Are you a
social activist.
political leader?
No,
Who are you?
I am the social activist, Lordship.
Ha.
If your Lordship may. He has also some political connection also.
How you are apprehending?
Because Lordship may.
How you are saying that there's a threat perception?
Yes, yes.
There's a threat.
Yes.
Sorry.
There is a photograph. Presently, there is no any fate. No, no, no.
Heard Mr. So-and-so, learn counsel for the petitioner. Pursuant to the order dated 16/11/2025. No. For your name, please.
Lordship.
Your name, please. Heard Mr.
N.K. Sharma, Lordship.
N.K. Sharma, learn counsel for the petitioner.
Lordship.
Next para. Mr. Artharugdar, learn state counsel. By placing the communication and the report of the placing the communication dated 15/11/2025 from the Senior Superintendent of Police Sonitpur, Tezpur, along with the threat assessment report for providing PS, personal security, what is it called? Officer, as directed by this court by an order dated 06/11/2025. Submits that as per the assessment report, there is no any specific threat found against the petitioner. Therefore, no, therefore, there is no requirement of providing personal security officer to the petitioner. However, Mr. So-and-so vehemently urged that there is a threat perception. There is a threat to the life and property of the petitioner. And at the same time, since the matter, since Mr. H.K. Das, then a senior counsel will lead him in this matter. Press for listing of the matter after 2 weeks. Experience. Considering above, let this matter be listed after 2 weeks. In the meantime, learned State Counsel Mr. Talukdar to bring on record the report of the SP by an affidavit. You file an affidavit, short affidavit, bring on record.
Lordship may kindly fix a date, Lordship. Subject to convenient, Lordship. In the latter part of May.
You take it back. It's the original.
I pray to.
You want back? You just return.
Lordship may fix a date.
Why? Give the date after 2 weeks.
26. Deeply obliged.
Yes.
That this is regarding contact works, NIT was issued by the respondents, I filed tender along with others, and my 2 tenders will be accepted. Thereafter, my lord, I was not, my lord, given the site, so my lord, I filed petition also, my lord. Subsequently, they informed me that there is a complaint against by other contractors, so your contractor is subsequently, my lord, my contract has been cancelled, contractor has been cancelled, my lord. So against that, I am here. And this honorable court, my lord, by order dated 11/6/25, my lord, that order has been stayed. And one my lord, the last my lord, 25/6/25, my lord. Yes. The comment appeared, my lord,
Yes.
they took time, my lord.
Pertains to irrigation department.
Yes, that's irrigation, they are no-
And perhaps they are to file if it
took time,
with this matter.
Yes, there is a stay.
Mistake.
There is a interim order not to issue any press tender order.
Lordship,
Press tender.
standing council irrigation department is reflected in the policy, Lordship.
Hmm?
Irrigation department.
You are for?
I am for Deputy Commissioner, respondent number 5, Lordship.
You are state council.
Lord. They are
So
to
the
reply,
irrigation department
Lordship.
is a department of
And-
department of some other country. Then
Because
it
the
is you
tender
to
is.
manage. We don't know. We are not looking for those who are the standing council or not. It's under the same state government. It's not autonomous or something different. It's under the state of Assam. State of Assam. So it is you to arrange. Tell him. Heard, Mr.
Errorship.
Learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. Talukdar, learned counsel for the state council for respondent number 5. Non appears for the irrigation department. Respondent irrigation department. As prayed for by Mr. Talukdar, learned state council. Further 3 weeks time is granted to file affidavit in opposition.
Only, my lord, they will only appear and submit. and
Interim
nothing
order
more.
passed earlier. You just inform him to file it. There's an interim order against operating against you. You are not interested. Yes.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
My lord, the matters relating to ex gratia or died due to drowning. This matter, my lord, all the respondent already appeared. They have to file their affidavit, my lord. Basically, respondent number 4, that is Deputy Commissioner.
In 23, Lordship, I need some time, Lordship, of filing affidavit. In 24, we file affidavit, Lordship. These two matter, 23 and 24.
Same.
Same, Lordship.
Matter same, fact is same, my lord.
Same incident.
Different.
No,
Different incident, but-
matter is same, relating to drowning, my lord.
Relating the drowning,
Yes.
but in a separate incident,
It is separate
place.
separate party.
Brahmaputra or Ganga?
No, my lord, actually, it was died in the roadside, literally roadside point, my lord.
Where?
But in the rainy season, when.
Where? Drowned in the rain. Rainwater.
No, in the roadside point, my lord.
Huh?
Pond, roadside pond.
Pond,
that's it.
okay.
The roadside.
Not in the
Not in
river.
the river, my lord.
Not flat.
Only-
I need some time, Lordship, and 24.
You have filed.
24 actually,
In
they have
24, we have filed it.
they
You
have
have filed.
filed another affidavit with the concerned, with the.
On
result of
Mr.
concerned
Mr. G. Ahmed.
G. Ahmed.
G. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner. On the prayer of Mr. N. Goswami, learned state counsel, further 2 weeks time is granted to 2 weeks or 3 weeks. 2 weeks time is granted to file affidavit in office. MS, you are not filing. Hazrika, you are not filing. Whether they are entitled or not, you are the one who is.
District Commissioner will, Lordship, after that we'll release the money.
Well, revenue, council, state council for revenue department is present, huh? Yes.
My lord, item
2
number
weeks.
24.
They have filed the affidavit,
Yes,
so we are disposing of the matter.
No, my
yes,
lord,
Lord,
there is some technical point is there, my lord.
What
in item
technical
number
point?
24, my lord.
What is
We have
technical
to
point?
file additional.
We'll take it up at 2 o'clock. Call. 2 o'clock. You have 1 hour to sort out the technical problem.
Oh, nothing, simple technique. Actually, they have to file another affidavit, my lord. My lord, in this case, my lord, actually, I have to file additional affidavit.
What additional affidavit?
My lord, by annexing some documents, my lord. My lord, in the earlier time, the village Gaura was issued certificate where the Gaura stated that the victim, Afina Begum, died due to drowning. Panit Puri, Mittu Hatu Hatya. In this regard, they again furnished another certificate to us. Therefore, we will file by annexing the Gaura certificate with additional affidavit. And another things, my lord, they filed their affidavit, but
Then Gaura.
kindly, my lord, take the affidavit in opposition at page number 59, my lord. The values of the petitioner fall under the thing circle, my lord. But under the thing circle, the address of the petitioner fall under the revenue circle of thing revenue circle. But incident took place in the Samugri revenue place. Therefore, the report of the Chamuguri circle officer is necessary, my lord. Therefore, they may file another affidavit by annexing the report of the Lat Mandal of the Chamuguri, my lord. As per our information, my lord, on 17/11/2025, the Lat Mandal conducted a inquiry regarding the incident, my lord. On 17/11/2025, my lord. They annexing the report of 11/9/25. Another inquiry were done on 17/11/25 as per our information, my lord.
I'm not getting anything. You tell us, we are disposing of the matter.
My lord,
you argue the matter, make your submission.
Well, actually, report is necessary. Otherwise,
What report? What report?
well, the Lat Mandal report, my lord.
Let us see what is the policy?
Because they stated here in
Notification. Where is the notification? Let us see.
Notification, my lord.
Page 47.
Yes.
32. 32.
Yes, 32.
32.
Is there any type copy? No type copy.
No type copy.
Which particular? Particular clause?
Yes, my lord. Yes.
Column 3, Lordship, that page 32-3.
Page?
The SDRF shall be used only for meeting the expenditure for providing immediate relief to the victims of cyclone, drought, earthquake, fire, flood, tsunami, hailstorm, landslide, avalanche, cloud burst, and pest attack.
This is what? State Disaster Management Fund.
Victim cyclone, drowning, earthquake, flood.
Guidelines on constitution and administration of this state disaster response fund. Constituted under How it is to be paid? What is the procedure?
But Deputy Commissioner paid the compensation.
What is the relevant provision, clauses?
Actually,
Is it not your case?
yes, my lord.
Then
My lord, Deputy Commissioner,
under what clause? Under you are claiming under this notification?
yes, my lord.
Then
My lord, page 47, my lord.
clause 3 said that the SDRF shall be used only for meeting the expenditure providing immediate relief to the. You are seeking immediate relief
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
of what? How it is paid? How it is
Well,
provided?
kindly see the page number 47, my lord. Column 1, my lord. Column A, ex gratia payment to families of deceased person. 4 lakhs per deceased person, including those involving in relief operation or associated in pre-decence
Activities.
activities subject to certification regarding cause of death from appropriate authority.
This is person including those involved in relief operations.
Appropriate authority. my lord. This is the appropriate authority. my lord. In all cases, this is paying the compensation.
Including those involved in relief operation or associated in. Yes, how the disease died?
Well, actually, the 3 years baby were playing near the house. My lord. In the meantime, my lord, thunderstorm with heavy rain was coming. They ran to home and suddenly fall in the roadside. But there is roadside. There was it was rainy season. There is huge water. My lord. They fall in the water and unfortunately died. my lord.
So where is the certification?
Certificate, my lord. I have annexed the
Subject to the certification regarding
police
cause of
report, my
death
lord.
from appropriate authority.
Yes.
Who has to certify?
Well, I have submitted the police report and postmortem report. my lord. Police report at
Okay,
21.
nobody is disputing, but certification has to be there by the appropriate authority.
Appropriate authority, my lord. Under the deputy commissioner, the circle officer conducted the inquiry
Where it is?
by the Lat Mandal, my lord.
Where it is?
It is they filed their
In our affidavit, we have annexed clause.
in the affidavit.
Yes. In page 66, that is the report of the circle officer. 66. Investigation that the granddaughter of the state citizen Sufia Begum, namely Arifa Begum, died on 3/9/24 due to falling down in the pond while she was playing with friends. The applicant has said that the said Arifa Begum died due to drowning in flood, but it is revealed from local investigation that no flood had been occurred in the said area. As yet, neither the said area is flood affected.
All right, my lord, no flood. I am not asking that there was flood, my lord. But flood situation was there, my lord, because it was rainy season.
No
my lord.
flood, but it's a flood situation.
Yes, my lord.
What is page 32 you see? Meeting the expenditure for providing immediate relief to the victims of cyclone, drought, earthquake, fire,
Drowning.
flood, tsunami, hailstorm, landslide, avalanche, cloud burst, and pest attack.
But my lord,
Nothing.
drowning is there. Drowning,
Wait.
drowning not means it has to be fall
Not under this.
in the
At least
river.
not under this.
Drowning.
At least not under this.
They only mention drowning, my lord. Drowning, not describe, briefly describe that.
Page 32.
Yes, my lord. My lord, drowning.
Under this contingencies only,
Yes, my lord.
you will be entitled for
Yes, ma'am.
ex gratia.
Died due to drowning, my lord.
Relief.
Yes, my lord. 3 years baby died, my lord. Scheme is there. 3 years baby is died.
No flood, there's nothing.
Not flood, national disaster.
Page 66. And Variance has been also given on report, it is page 68. Huh? It is 68, there is another report of the variance had been lost. Page 68 also. It is true that they have collected proof regarding death of Aprina Begum in Browning, but no flood had been occurred in the one village as yet, neither because there is no river even in the village. Aprina Begum died due to falling down in one. Not even flood situation. Not even situation like flood.
But I'm not to put it over. But as per the Gauhati certificate, which we annex in as annexure number 5 as page number 28, my lord, particular as page 29. Here in this, the village head, my lord, that is Gaubura, said the girl was died due to drowning. Panit pori mittu hoy. Simply stated that Panit pori mittu.
Simply drowning is not, cause or the situation under which relief or exertion can be paid.
Actually,
We understand drowning.
as per my concern, actually,
It's an accident only. Unfortunate accident.
Unfortunate accident.
That's all. Anything else?
No, my lord. Actually, 3 years maybe died, my lord. The scheme is there.
What can we do? What is the scheme? Scheme says what?
Scheme says flood.
Page 32. There's no flood.
Actually, flood means it is not clearly mentioned. What type of flood, my lord? What type of flood?
They say there was no flood at all. Not even a
situation, my lord.
flood-like situation.
It was flood situation when in rainy season.
We don't know. There's an investigation. It's on
Yes,
brought
my
on
lord.
record.
Therefore, I am asking they file another affidavit with the concern.
How can that?
Report of the concern.
Report is already there. Certificate is already there.
As per our
Local
certificate,
investigation.
we have another certificate, my lord, Village Gaubura offered. Here is clearly mentioned Panit pori mittu. And flood not.
What do you call it?
Flood not clearly mentioned, my lord.
Panit. What you say?
Aprina Begum, oi
That is drowning. It doesn't talk about flood.
My lord, yes, my lord. Pothor kakhor Rajua sthanot thoka pukhrit pori mittu hoy. Rajua sthanot, my lord.
You may entitle for some other scheme, not another scheme. Your claim this disaster management is not.
My lord,
This is a fund.
this is my humble submission, my lord. At the rainy season, my lord, generally the two sides of the
There was an
road.
investigation. We don't know. You may be correct. There is an investigation.
Yes, my lord, they may file another affidavit, my lord.
Why? They have filed already. Heard. Mr.
Zio Ahmed.
G.U. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner. And also heard, which one?
For 1427 lots.
My lord, I have another submission, my lord.
N. Goswami, learned counsel for state counsel for respondent number 427, as well as Mr. M.S.G. G. Hazrika, learned standing counsel, revenue department for respondent number 2. I'll pass the order.
My lord, I have little submission, my lord.
Disposed of.
My lord, I have little submission, my lord. When a person died in the river,
It's very unfortunate.
very unfortunate, but that is not flood.
It's
my
an accident.
accident.
It's not a flood.
It is also accident, my lord.
Yes.
Flood not described by, as per notification, flood not described. What type of flood, my lord?
River
When a
doesn't
person died in the
river
river,
doesn't flow only on the happening of the flood.
Yes.
River is river.
the roadside pond means not a pond, not a private pond. It is a Rajwa study, public pond. In the roadside. my
You
lord.
find out, you do your homework. There must be some other scheme. If it's a public pond or something like that, if there is an accident or all, you find not under this scheme. This is particularly for disaster, what is called? State Disaster Management Fund. Dismissed. Thank you.
It pleasure your lordship. Lordship, the matter pertains to capital interest subsidy scheme, lordship. Lordship, in this scheme, lordship, I may kindly take your, I have the certificate in this scheme, lordship, it's at page 60. Page 60, lordship, may kindly come to page 60.
Yes, this is covered by, you said.
Yes, yes, covered by the judgment, and they also agree.
Also diabetics.
They also agree to it, sir. Examine by giving us opportunity. Yes. Asad.
Covered. Affidavit has been filed.
No affidavit. It's not required. Not required, same scheme, everything is same. And it is not against them also, it is not against us also. It is just asked to reconsider our, because similarly situated persons has been given the relief. So the petitioner's case also has been asked to be reconsidered.
You have not included this, why you have not included this 119, that point of time? There were 3 writ petitions.
Yes, yes.
Same scheme, same ground,
Same ground.
due to COVID-19,
Yes.
everything, no change.
No, actually, lordship, I'll take your lordship to 2 lines of the scheme where they don't have any right to object only to the payment.
That has been recorded here in this order.
Yes, your lordship, in view of that only this order has been passed because it is of automatic approval.
No, if they agree that
They have agreed.
if it is covered, then what's there?
Yes, your lord.
Yes, just show us that. What is that?
Lordship, page 57. Lord.
57.
Page 57.
Yes.
Seeing this only, this court had passed that order. Lordship, the point number 2, lordship, capital investment subsidy. The subsidy will be provided in terms of the scheme notified wide notification number so and so dated so and so, except for the modifications incorporated in this OM. The subsidy for the new industrial units existing industrial units going on for substantial expansion, which registered and commenced production on or after so and so, will be limited to 5 crore per industrial unit operating in manufacturing sector and rupees so and so per industrial unit operating in service sector. While the limit for automatic approval of subsidy at the rate of 30% of investment in plant and machinery will continue to be up to 1.5 crores. So it is a case of automatic approval. There is no question of rejection, lordship. They have wrongly rejected. They have wrongly rejected. I am asking
what
for
about those cases? In this case,
yes, 30%. Those cases also
has been
30%.
considered.
Yes, in those cases they have received also.
Considered.
They have received.
In this case, we have rejected for 2 times lordship.
Same thing.
Same thing. They have
Whether
previously also they have
cannot
received.
reject, and if you have reconsidered it, you have seen this. You have said so. This is a similar situation. I mean, the questions have been considered. There's a direction from the central government. Disposed of.
Much obliged.
Had MS,
ML go.
ML Gopalan Council for the petitioners, and also heard Mr. N. Goswami, then State Council for all the respondents. Union of India is there, no? It's already here.
Yes. Good.
Sorry, Lordship, I'm for respondent number 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6.
On the last occasion, they took time to go through the judgment.
Oh, yes. They have agreed now.
Now they have.
Except one, I'm.
Who is one?
Union of India. You. Maybe. Will inform.
Respond number 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5, 6. Huh? 5 and 6. Non-appears for the letter number 1, Union of India. This was service of notice. I'll pass the order. Short order will pass.
Yes.
Same.
Take. Much
Covered
obliged.
case.
Much obliged. Much obliged.
Huh? 13, yes.
Lordship, the same issue, just Lordship has just heard this matter. Exactly same facts and circumstances, Lordship.
My lord, that COVID-19, just now I have heard, my lord, but COVID-19 thing is not here and we have received.
We'll take it after tomorrow.
Uh,
Day after tomorrow.
My lord, if your lordship grant me 1 week time, can I file it? Because we have received instruction, a short.
It's the same
instruction.
thing. Rejection 2 times.
It's not.
COVID-19 issue is only that because of the COVID-19 and non-payment of the subsidy, the industry has.
No, problem is, no.
That stand has not been taken in the writ petition.
It's okay.
If it has been taken, then.
It's not an issue as such. That was the, I mean, the petitioners, the submission. Now, this earlier one has been disposed of in view of the fact that similarly situated persons or the companies have been reconsidered. Yes, you show the.
So, my lord, maybe on
Gope,
Friday, my lord.
kindly share that copy of that next week in that case. Next week.
Date may be fixed.
We'll say that Mr. A Todi, why didn't you tell in the beginning, morning?
I was trying to actually give the facts of the case to the Lordship first.
Although about to dismiss the writ petition.
COVID-19 thing is not here.
A Todi, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that the present matter is squarely covered by the order of the convenient bench of this court. In the case of what you give the case that ozone. In the case of ozone, just give it to me. In the case of measures ozone, Ayurvedics unit, Ayurvedics, versus state of Assam and others. Within bracket WPC 443 of 2019. Next minute, MS, you does Learned State Council. Additional
Senior government advocate.
senior government, no, we'll record your designation. No, additional senior government advocate submits that she may be granted a week's time to go through the said order. The proceed order.
Yes, my lord.
Praise the Lord. This the matter after the week.
14 months.
Next date, any date, no issue. If it's a covered case, why should you keep it unnecessary pending? COVID were not concerned. The consideration is similarly persons have been given, reconsidered and given, accepted after rejection. And there's that policies, the schemes, the clause 2 of the scheme.
Maybe on 14. Yeah.
Lordship, this item number 26 and 27,
I had filed an IA, so has the matter been mentioned?
Who has
in the-
mentioned? This has been mentioned this morning.
I had to be implemented and I was not been known. I was waiting for-
Why you want to? Why you should be implemented?
Well, the thing is that right now the position is with me actually. Actually, the bank has sold to this one particular group. The group has.
Have
sold
you
the-
given a notice? I mean, copy to the learned counsel to the petitioner? This
petition-
IA. Have you given?
Yes, I think so. Your lordship, I'm not that.
I'm asking
sure.
why not? I mean, when
No, because when I filed, I think so actually. My Mohori might have done it. I am not quite sure.
you are the auction purchaser.
No. I have purchased from auction purchaser.
That's what I'm saying. I am asking
Then-
you whether you are you a auction purchaser?
No, I'm not the auction purchaser. I had purchased from auction purchaser.
Okay.
I am the position with right now.
Without the information of this John, I am for respondent number 1 to 5 in item number 26.
What to do? It has been adjourned. Your friend who has mentioned it? Hopi Bhatti. Already I have signed the order also.
Item number 27, I am the petition.
I have already signed the orders. When it is to be listed? 4 weeks. 4 weeks. I have already signed the order.
Actually, the consent was not taken. Otherwise,
Of course, I understand.
Therefore, we are sitting here.
we were sitting here from my lordship.
No, it was the first case, I suppose. First or second case, one lawyer has mentioned.
27 minor application.
What can we do now? Anyway, it's not proper. Should not have the consent ought to have been taken from you. Anyway, next time we'll take care. This time I've already signed the order.